How to recharge Amazon Prime. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can recharge Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, recharging Amazon Prime is very simple. You can do so from the Amazon app and go to your membership section, or you can open your browser. Just go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime, where you'll be able to see whether or not you have an active subscription. So if you don't have an active subscription, you'll find start your trial option. If you have an active subscription, you'll find them running. So most likely you don't have to renew it, because as long as your card details are there, you'll be able to basically get it automatically, and it will automatically deduct the balance for you. But basically, when you come to this page, which is amazon.com/Amazon Prime, you'll be able to see all of your Prime details, whether or not your account is working fine, whether or not they're working fine or not, and then you can tap on the try option. So this way you can go ahead and then renew your Amazon Prime. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.